Imagine hitting the road in something that redefines adventure, luxury, and engineering brilliance all in one package: the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving statement of what the future of road travel can be. Toyota has taken the idea of a motorhome and elevated it, quite literally, into two levels of unmatched comfort and innovation. With its futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and carefully crafted interior, this camper feels like a luxury hotel suite that just happens to have wheels. From the outside, the Toyota double-decker camper is a showstopper. Its design blends modern aerodynamics with bold, boxy architecture to accommodate the dual-level layout. The glossy finish, accentuated with sharp LED strip lights and sleek Toyota styling, makes it look futuristic and commanding on the road. At the front, the signature Toyota grille sits proudly, framed by intelligent LED matrix headlights that not only enhance visibility but also add to the commanding road presence. The over-cab extension hints at the massive space inside, while the tall stature of the camper makes it stand out instantly from traditional motorhomes. Moving to the side, the scale of the double-decker build truly comes into focus. Large panoramic windows run along both levels, filling the interior with natural light and offering passengers breathtaking views during road trips. A wide sliding door gives access to the main lounge area, and the lower body sits on black alloy wheels designed to handle long journeys smoothly. The entire vehicle is accentuated with aerodynamic curves and LED accents that make it look more like a futuristic concept vehicle than a traditional RV. But the real magic of the Toyota double-decker camper lies in its interior. Step inside, and it feels like stepping into a luxury apartment on wheels. The lower deck is designed for socializing and everyday living. You're greeted with a spacious lounge featuring plush leather seating, ambient LED mood lighting, and a full entertainment setup with a widescreen display. The kitchen area is compact yet fully equipped, with smart appliances, a refrigerator, a microwave, and an induction stove. The materials used blend modern textures, wood, metal, and premium fabrics, creating an atmosphere that feels warm, cozy, and high-end. Moving upstairs to the second level, you find what truly makes this camper unique. The upper deck is dedicated to rest and privacy. Spacious bedrooms with panoramic roof windows give passengers the chance to fall asleep under the stars or wake up to sunrise views. Each room is designed with comfort in mind, featuring soft-touch materials, elegant finishes, and integrated storage to maximize space. The upper deck also includes a compact but functional bathroom with a shower, ensuring that travelers never have to compromise on convenience no matter where they are. Toyota hasn't just focused on luxury, technology is at the core of the double-decker camper. The dashboard features a fully digital cockpit with AI-powered navigation, smart climate control, and real-time route optimization that ensures efficiency even on long trips. The vehicle is built on Toyota's hybrid electric platform, combining eco-friendly performance with powerful driving dynamics. Solar panels are integrated into the roof to help power the onboard electronics, making the camper not just futuristic but also sustainable. On the road, the Toyota double-decker camper delivers stability and comfort. Advanced suspension systems make the ride smooth even on uneven terrain, while driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras make maneuvering such a large vehicle surprisingly easy. Safety remains a top priority, with Toyota equipping the camper with multiple airbags, collision avoidance systems, and reinforced structural engineering to protect passengers. What sets this camper apart isn't just its dual-level design or its futuristic technology, it's the lifestyle it represents. It's about freedom without compromise, offering travelers the ability to explore the world while enjoying the comforts of home. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, weekend getaways, or extended road trips, the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper makes every journey unforgettable. Toyota has managed to strike the perfect balance between practicality and extravagance. It offers enough space for families, groups of friends, or even solo travelers who want the ultimate mobile living experience. The combination of eco-friendly powertrains, futuristic design, and smart technology makes it not just a motorhome of today, but a vision of how we will travel tomorrow. In the end, the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution in mobility and lifestyle. It's Toyota's answer to those who want to live life on the move without sacrificing comfort, technology, or sustainability. With its towering presence, luxurious interior, and futuristic engineering, this double-decker camper is ready to change the way we think about road trips forever.